What's up, guys? Today we are going vlog style. I have an engagement session. Just picked up my breakfast from Johnny's. I love them. We're gonna hop in the whip, head down, and I'll see you on the other side. So it's a little bit windier than I was expecting it to be. So I grabbed my little hat that I like to shoot in, and this is it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Super excited today because we are going to be shooting in this awesome location. They've got some kind of like, it's almost like Hogwarts themed. Cool, right? Let's start the B-roll.
Woke up this morning with the sunrise in my eyes. Just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how, don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life. My boots and briefcase are waiting at the door. My ride sweeter to meet the one I love. I don't know how and don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life. Oh, it's sweeter the first time around.
So that's it, guys. I am super excited. We just finished up. I can't wait to send you guys some of the photos and everything that happened. It was a beautiful day outside today. My hat came in handy even though it was super windy, and I am so excited to go home and just start editing. Thanks so much, guys. Till next time. Bye.